Hey guys, so today I'm just doing analysis on XRP, and what I want to focus on is that I found some form of inefficiency with this pair. And what I mean by that is a lot of the other altcoins have already sort of moved up into where we see this target one area. They have already hit their target one. All right. And so I'm just going to go over this trade. I'm already entered. I already got my level set. All right. And we're just going to do a fib retracement. I'm taking it from this top up here, and I'm dragging it out to this low right here. Okay. And you see that the 61%, even though the candles are covering it up, but this is 61% of the fib level. You know, I like to trade it to the 61%. And so this is my target one. So I'm playing a retracement game here, right? All right. And then, of course, we got this upper target number two is based off an impulse. And what is an impulse? So this point to this point, we consider this as an impulse motive wave. And we're going to use our Fibonacci extension tool where I'm measuring that impulse. All right. And now that I have my target, all right, you clearly can see even for target one, it falls right above. Well, when I say target one, so this target one is based off the Fibonacci retracement, but the target for this particular impulse is actually here, which is 60 cent. So we expect to see if XRP can get to 60 cent. All right. And then target number two for that would be 63%. 63 cent will fall in this area here, right? And of course, we got other targets. We got target three up here, which would be 72 cent, 82, and 87 based off that particular impulse. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Now, what I want to show you now is what I see on other alts. So let's look at Ethereum. Okay. Now, if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum has already come up and probably hit its first target. So here we go. Let's take it from this here. And we're going to take it up to here for the impulse. And look, target one already achieved and it's trying to get to its target two. So right now, XRP is lagging behind. Okay. I also can do the same thing, fib levels. And we've already blasted through the 61%, and now we're at 70%. Next target, 78%. So you see Ethereum has already led the way. Now watch this. Let's look at track USD maybe. Let's see what's going on. All right, same thing. You see I already did the work. Target one already been hit. It's headed for target two. But XRP hasn't moved yet. All right, here's another one. Let's look at, and I'm just randomly picking some. What's another alt? Litecoin, maybe? We don't trade Litecoin. All right, so Litecoin has it. Let me see. So Litecoin is somewhat similar to where XRP is at the moment. Well, I'll take that back. Let's see. Getting close. So it's headed for its target as well too. Also, we had a form of a CRT, which means is a candle range theory. We had a liquidity sweep. This green line is the daily candle. The daily high. We went above and then we came back down, grabbed some momentum from a demand zone, and now we're seeing some push to get back up. So this was a liquidity sweep. get rid of some of the bulls in the derivative market, push price down, find some area uh, where demand came back in, and we may push even higher on this one. Let's look at Jasmine USD. See what's happening. All right. So you see a lot of these are still the same type of formation, right? Right. It's already hit the what? The 68. I mean, the 61% and the 70%. All right. Let's try H bar USD. All right. So you see, I already had this going down from a previous technical analysis. All right. So let's get out of here. Let's clear all this off. All right. Same thing. Let's see what we're talking about from up here at the top. We're gonna take this one instead. Same thing. We're already at the 70%. So you can continue to see that XRP is lagging behind, right? So that could be a good thing. You can wait for a rotation, as they call it. Let's look at Solana, and then that'll be it. We see the same type deal that's happening with Solana. And Solana just smashed through with theirs. You see this level that's just been cleared. Yeah, it just smashed through on that one. Um, so yeah, let's see something with Solana. Let's go to higher time frame. I want to see something. Let's go to daily. Get more. All right, got you. Just want to look at this area. See what's happening. All right. So basically, I measured. This is on a higher time frame, but I measured this and posted here, and so these two targets have been hit. And so the next target for Solana is 310, 426, and 498, based off this particular impulse. All right. So you got that. Sometimes we do a analysis on if the markets for whatever reason would turn around and have a huge drop. 61% if we do get a pullback, a $28. I don't think this will ever happen right now, but yeah, definitely not. A black swan event will have to come in and knock this thing back down to $28 or so. Uh, but this range is still intact. All right, so we definitely need to close above, get above here, but this range is attack, and price can range bound in here. All right, especially if you continue to have sell orders up here. If the bears continue to kick in up here to push price back down, it can ping pong. All right, so this is definitely an area where a lot of these players that got into the market, they are realizing their gains. All right, so you see a lot of that going on here. So you could have some unloading, which is what's happening right now. All right, all this range bound. That means that the bulls who got into the earliest stages, they're exiting. All right, little by little, and they're doing it in a manner that they don't want to really break this range right now. They are enjoying that enough people are coming into the market. So this means that there are enough participants with bulls and bears willing and dealing. And what people really don't understand is stuff like this right here is when markets are moving up like this, that means that there's too much of an imbalance. That means there's too many buyers, that there's really not any there's not any sellers coming into the market like that. And so a lot of people don't realize that it's not a balance of traders agreeing. Someone is not agreeing on price that this is a fair value at the moment. So when you get up here, you see how we start going back and forth. We're in a range now. This is where now willing participants are coming in the market, and typically this is retail coming in at a higher level after they've seen this impressive growth. For whatever reason, they don't want to touch it down here, but they're willing and ready up here after they've grown 1,249%. This continues to happen over and over and over again. Think about it. How many people came in and wanted to buy Solana at $7.91 or $10 or $14 or $13? Not many, right? Look at that. I mean, at these levels, whoever's down here, they up 2,367%. Smart money was down here accumulating. All right. Smart money still was looking to buy. Okay. This drop, retail panicking, thinking we're gonna go lower. Who's buying? Retail. Institutions. Smart money. And pushing out. Who's buying up here? Dumb money. Who's selling up here? Smart money. And it's easily to do this. See this right here? Won't have to go down. But we're ranging, willing, and dealing. It's easy that we can just keep going up, right? It's no different than over here. Same method. Push higher. All right. So that's that. Like I said, I'm definitely trading XRP. Got everything in order. Of course, I'm on a daily chart now, but I'm in profit at the current moment based off of the trade setup. All right. And I'm looking forward to going to the upside. And this is not an invitation just to follow me and take a trade. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing and setting it up. And I hope to post this video in real enough time. All right, so you see I got my notes down here. I got an entry at 54,925. We're up right now at 55,059. All right, so I'm in current profit right now. I want to keep my stop loss somewhere below here. You see over here in the corner, it's 1:26 p.m. and it's 11:09. All right. And my target is going to be up here. All right. Hit the like button, subscribe. This is your boy E White. I am out.